Hello, my friends of the internet. How is it going? Okay guys, so this morning I started filming a video, and I just realized, while I was filming it and, looking back at the footage that, this is not the quality and interesting content that I promised you guys. So I scratched that idea. All it was a vlog, guys. My life is just not interesting enough at the moment to vlog anything, And while I was filming, I realized that. And so I said, you know what? Screw the vlog. I'm gonna do something interesting even if I don't feel like it. And that's what's happening today. I don't have my lighting set up. I literally have my camera sitting on who knows what. And I just don't give a rat's butt cheek. But you want to know why? That's because I decided to actually do a fun video, something that at least I'm going to enjoy, just because at the moment I'm sick of the beauty videos. I'm sick of the fashion videos. I want to do something fun. I want to do something entertaining, and that's what I'm gonna freaking do, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoy this, and that's it. So I haven't even told you what I'm doing yet, but I'm sure you figured it out by the title. I actually saw Jenna Marbles do this video, and I'm sure that there's other people that have done it as well, but she's just the only one that I've personally seen, and I thought it was such a good idea. So basically, there is this account on Instagram and YouTube, and it's called 5 Minute Crafts, and what they do is they have DIY and hacks and all these ideas that you can do to make life easier, or just to have like a cute something or other, how to like redo your clothes into something else, how to make life easier using this, how to do that, and it's supposed to be quick, it's supposed to be easy, and it's supposed to be convenient, and so today I'm going to be putting these hacks / ideas, whatever, to the test to see if they actually work or if they're worth your time. I really hope that you guys enjoy this. I'm excited to do it, and yep, let's get into it. Now, when Jenna Marbles did this video, she did more of the extreme ones, like making house slippers out of hot glue, and that just costs too much money for me, things that I'm just not willing to spend the money and time to do. So I'm gonna do the more simple, that are supposed to be more simple and convenient ones, just to, see how they work. So first I'm gonna start off with one of the more simple ones, and this one is supposed to be a hack, and we'll see if it's actually a hack, if it actually works. Basically, the idea is that if you take a match, and I had to buy a whole freaking, how many packs is this? Like 50 million packs of matches. Basically, the idea is that if you take a match and you put nail polish on it, or like a top coat on it, and then get it wet, it will still work. So the idea is, like, if you accidentally get your match wet somehow, some way, if there's nail polish top coat on it, it will still work. So I'm going to be testing this theory, and we'll see how it works. So let me pull up the 5 Minute Crafts page and find this particular video. So basically, I'm gonna take the match and some top coat, and I'm gonna apply the top coat to the match, and I'm gonna let it dry and then see what happens. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this is dry. Now I'm going to put it in the water. But first, the way that I'm really gonna test it is I'm gonna try one without the remover and one with, and see how, like, the difference. So this is the one with the nail polish, this is the one without it. So let's try the one without it. Okay. Ooh.
It lit like a little bit of a spark, but it did not last.
Okay, I put up a decent fight. It tried to light, but it did not succeed. Let's try the one with the nail polish remover. Oh! Oh. Oh. Confusion. What happened? It lit and then it went out like super quick. Let's try it again. So we're gonna try it again and see what happens. So the one without. Guys, that was the one that got wet without the nail polish remover, and it still worked. So I don't know. Okay, my final thoughts on this hack. Let me try it again one more time with just one without the nail polish remover when it's wet and see if it lights. Okay, we're gonna try it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a dud. Here, let me tell you why it's a dud. Number one, the match still lit even though it was wet. I know in some circumstances the match won't light, which makes sense. I understand. I mean, it lit both the last two times, but the first time it kind of didn't, so I don't know. But both times with using the nail polish top coat, it lit, but it quickly burnt out. Okay, the next three that I'm going to be doing are their clothing hacks, how to like reuse some of your clothes. I'm gonna have to find these and pull them up. So the first one is turning a tank top into, like a long tank top into a crop top. So they take it like this. Wait, was that the back? Shoot. And then they cut around the edges. So then I'm going to cut along the edges. And if this doesn't turn out right, guys, maybe it's just me sucking, but we'll see.
I'm gonna cut this.
Snippity doo dah, snippity dee. Well, now I gotta get it the same length. Guys, you honestly have to be like super crafty to do this kind of crap. Like, I can't. Okay, snip across. Okay, they go across. So now I'm gonna go across like they did. And we're snipping the tank top. Yes. This is taking a lot longer than it should. And they do a straight lines are not my strong suit. Okay, and then they do a straight line all the way up. It's just like, who has the time to do this? Like, okay, so we're gonna put it on and we're gonna see what we got. How the freak did they do this? What is this, magic? Okay, and then you fold. Is this it? This is the look. This is what I spent all that time doing. So for this next one, your only ingredients are a pair of leggings and some scissors. So you fold them in half. So basically this one, you're supposed to be able to turn your leggings into a top. And then you take this part and you cut it. You cut the little crotch part. Okay. Okay, so here are... Ow! The sleeves are a little too short, so I'd have to like roll them up. And I don't know, it's not comfortable. And this saggage is like not working. Can we do an off the shoulder stitch? No, not really. This seam right here makes it so obvious that this is not supposed to be a shirt. I don't know, like this is not something that I would even consider wearing. This isn't cute. This doesn't look good. Okay, so this next one, I know for a fact this isn't going to be something that I'm ever going to use, like, no doubt in my mind, but it is something that I found interesting, so I'm gonna try it. Basically, the idea is to take an old pair of underwear and make it into a sports bra. The thought of having my underwear anywhere near my upper half is just unsettling to me. I could not get past that, but we're gonna see how they do it. Ooh. Take your scissors and you cut. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough.
You cut.
Okay, so I quickly realized this is extremely see-through. Yeah, so this is the finished product. I am trying to block any nippleage going on. This is my underwear that I have on my body right now. It's honestly, there's the back. I see where they were going for it, but I don't see how this is going to help me. Like, it doesn't support me, and also it just seems kind of gross. So this one is one that I've actually seen floating around the internet quite a bit, but I also saw on the 5-Minute Crafts, and this one is using a balloon as a beauty blender. And here's my thoughts on this in particular, is that most people don't have balloons lying around. So if you have a dirty beauty blender, or it's messed up, or you don't have one, I don't think the quick fix is to go to a balloon. That's just my personal opinion, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna test it, see what the deal is, and, you know, see if it works. I know I don't have my great lighting or anything, so we're just gonna have to deal with what we've got. I'm literally, like, kind of repulsed that this is even a thing. Okay, I'm just gonna take some foundation and just apply it straight to the beauty balloon. This just feels so big. Maybe I put too much in it. This does not feel okay. Ew, this sound is so annoying. I'm going to bring you guys into the light because I don't think you can actually see what this just did. Okay. So take a look. I don't know if you guys can actually see how awful this looks, but like, it is super cakey. It accentuates every pore that I have. I would say that this is not a dupe for a beauty blender. This is not a hack. This is a joke. Balloons are for parties and throwing at people when they have water in them. So no, let's not do this. So there you have it, guys. Now that I only have my freaking mascara and eyebrows on. That was testing out the 5-Minute Crafts ideas and hacks, just to show you guys what worked and what didn't. Personally, the first one, the match one, I think is just not even worth any of it, just because yes, it did light when it was wet, but it quickly burnt out, and even when they were wet, they still lit. I don't know if they have to be sitting longer. I don't know if I did that right, whatever. They still lit when they were wet though, so I don't know. Also, the clothing ones, they were all kind of iffy. I mean, they were wearable in a sense, but they were not practical, and they didn't really look that great, because, I mean, if I'm going to make my clothes, I'm not going to wear them if they look like I made them. Those looked like you made them. The long sleeve shirt you could wear, but the seam in them, ooh. The seam going straight down the middle of it kind of gave it away that that's not supposed to be there. And then the first tank top, crop top, was just, it looked too homemade, and so did the sports bra underwear. I just think those aren't really something I'm interested in. And then this last one with the balloon, yeah, no thank you. I'll take a hard pass. That was probably the worst one of them all. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing any more of these videos. I had fun making them, but it is getting late and I gotta go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed seeing something different from me. And let me know if you liked it, and let me know if you want to see anything else like this or any other cool, fun ideas. Let me know. I would love to do them. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you did like it. Dislike it if you didn't. I don't really care what you do. Alright? Yep, that's it. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night. See you in my next video. Peace.